Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Laisemba Sanajaoba today drew the attention of Parliament, demanding government to expedite the construction of National Sports University (NSU) in Manipur. MP Sanajaoba raised the matter during 0 hour of the ongoing Parliament session. Drawing attention of the House, MP Sanajaoba said the university, once completed, will be one of its kind. The National University Bill was first tabled in 2017 and it was enacted in 2018. The acquisition of land for the construction of the university was completed at Imphal West District's Kautruk, but the construction of infrastructure is lagging behind and continuing at a slow pace. The MP urged the relevant ministry to look into the matter and ensure that the construction work is completed at the earliest so that sportspersons in the country can benefit from the ambitious project.
After getting adequate lands for construction at Kautruk, a village in Imphal West District, Manipur, the progress of infrastructural construction and other related works are very slow. Sir, there may be many reasons for this delay, but it should be expedited at any cost in the interest of our sportspersons across the nation. So, I humbly urge the Union Government and the concerned ministry to expedite the ongoing infrastructural work of National Sports University so that it may be fully functional at the earliest.